Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Students, hope you are safe and sound. And myself, Sabah Farooq. Today I am here for a very informative and interesting video. The test of Public Service Commission, AJK Public Service Commission of Physics, held in Muzaffarabad yesterday on 26th of August 2025. So these are the MCQs of these were the MCQs of physics. So you can see here is I solved all MCQs for you people, and just watch the video and compare your options with the MCQs that I solved. And if you have not done good, then prepare yourself for next upcoming Public Service Commission test. So without wasting time, we are going to solve the MCQs. Okay, the first MCQ is which equation expresses the Gauss's law, and the correct option is option B, and del dot E equals to rho divided by epsilon naught. The second one is Compton's wavelength of electron, that is lambda c is equal to h divided by mc. The correct option is D. The third one is which principle forbids electrons inside the nucleus? The right option is B, Pauli's exclusion principle. And the fourth one is which is state function? Enthalpy is state function. We can say enthalpy as a state function. The fifth one is which is a state of matter? Diamagnetic, ferromagnetic, and all materials are state of matter. So all of above are the right options. And the sixth one is Maxwell equation unify electricity and magnetism definitely. So we are going with the option B, electricity and magnetism. 7 is SI unit of flux density B is Tesla. 8 is which law explains black body radiation? Of course, Planck's law. The 9th one is Debye models applies to solid. And the 10th is Schrödinger wave equation is linear. So we are going with option B. 11 is which is an extensive property enthalpy because it depends on mass. The 12th is which is a boson? Photons are bosons. The 13th Laplace operator in 3 dimension is del square, and we can say it del operator. The Fermi energy at T is equal to 0 Kelvin defines as the highest field state. The 15th is Lagrangian equals to T minus V. We are going with correct option D. The 16th is electric field inside conductor is, so we are going with option D because electric field is 0 inside conductor. Okay, the 16th is electric field inside conductor is 0 because the number of positive and negative charges cancel out in case of conductor. The 17th is heat is not state function, it depends on the pressure. State function is pressure, temperature. Here the answer is pressure because pressure is given. 18th is SI unit of Planck's constant is joule second. 19 is which region of transistor is doped? Base is highly doped region. The 21 is which is conservative force, gravity or gravitational force. The 21 is the de Broglie or de Broglie wavelength is h divided by P. 22 is how many terminals does a BGT bipolar junction transistor have? 3 terminals, emitter, base and collector. The 23 is an expression for current gain. Beta is emitter current divided by base current. Okay, the next one is 24 time independent Schrödinger equation is h psi equals to E psi. And 25 is root mean square speed 3 kt divided by m. The correct option is C. 26 MCQ is which law governs induced EMF? Faraday's law definitely. The 27 is Bose-Einstein statistics applies to bosons. And the 28 is output of 2 input or gate is 0 when both inputs are 0. We are going with option D. The 29 is uncertainty principle arises from wave particle duality given by different experiments and Compton's effect, photoelectric effect, polarization, and all the phenomena that shows the wave particle duality. Some shows particle or light as wave and some shows the light as wave nature. Now the next one is the next part of MCQs starts from 30 and ends up at 60. So we are going to solve these MCQs. The 30th MCQ is SI unit of current is. Definitely it will be amperes, but if the SI unit of current gain, then it will be the ratio of two currents, so there will be no unit. 31 is radius of first Bohr orbit is r, radius of second Bohr orbit will be n square, and whenever it will be second orbit, then 2 square will be equals to 4r. The 32 is ground state energy of hydrogen, definitely minus 13.6 electron volt. 33 is Pauli's exclusion principle applies to fermions, and 34th is the thermodynamic identity is and delta U is equal to T delta S minus PdV, means it relate the internal energy with temperature and entropy, pressure and volume. The 35 MCQ is which is an example of non-inertial frame rotating disk in case of rotational motion. It will be the non-inertial frame. The 36 is half-life of radioactive sample is time for half to decay is time for half to decay. The right option is D. 37 is which describes superconductivity is zero resistance. The 38 is Bohr magneton is, and definitely EH का divided by 2m. X-rays cannot produce, they can produce photoelectrons. Compton pairs, actually all are possible, so option we are going with option D. 40 is the Rayleigh criterion applies to resolution. 41 is Dirac equation describe a relativistic electron. 42 is which equation does not allow magnetic monopole. Del dot B is equal to 0, means monopole does not exist. SI unit of entropy is joule per Kelvin. The next one is Doppler's effect affects the frequency. Option C is right. Gradient of scalar field is always a vector quantity. Now the next one is which is dimensionless refractive index, because it is the ratio of two speeds, so it is dimensionless. 47 is which equation is not time reversible, diffusion. The 48 is main constituent of cosmic rays are proton. 49 is Seebeck effect describe. It is in question paper, actually it is different. It is about Saha's equation, and here it is written as the Seebeck effect describes. So it definitely describes the conduction. The 58th MCQ is an input device to an amplifier is a voltage source. Okay, so it is also different in question paper. 51 is Gauss's law in differential form is del dot E is equal to rho divided by epsilon naught, already discussed. The 52 is which spectral series is UV, Lyman series is UV series. The 53 MCQ is ideal gas law is, our ideal gas equation is very well familiar, and journal equation is P is equal to nRT. The 54 is Hall effect produces transverse voltage, so we are going with option B. The next one is which symmetry leads to conservation of energy, time, translation. The 56 MCQ is a standing wave is formed by superposition. The 57 MCQ is which particle mediates weak force, so W bosons are weak in force. The 58 MCQ is SI unit of pressure. Definitely it is Pascal. The 59 is in relativity. Simultaneity is relative. The 60th MCQ is symmetry of boson wave function is symmetric. We are going with option D. So students, we have solved all the MCQs within 8 minutes. So the paper was, according to me, it was very easy. If you solved it best, then best of luck, and if not, then prepare yourself for next time. Hope you will qualify inshallah in this time or in next time. And if you want such type of videos, information bank, then kindly subscribe this channel, like and share these videos. It will be helpful for you people, and I will share inshallah. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.